Are you looking for the best Fluke multimeters? In your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best Fluke multimeters that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The fifth product on our list is the Fluke 117 Best Fluke Multimeter for Electricians. This is the most rated quality multimeter of Fluke Corporation. The reasons it topped this strict list of best Fluke multimeters are its amazing accuracy, reliability, durable construction, and safety measures. While selecting Fluke multimeters for you, our first focus was to help you choose right meter for your field at an economical price. Generally, all Fluke test meters come with a huge price tag, but still, you can find some best ones in medium budget range. But that demands hours of research and analysis to find those products. We solve your issue, so you can easily one from this list. This Fluke 117 is the best affordable Fluke multimeter, which has amazing ratings and positive reviews online. Up next in the fourth place is the Fluke 323 clamp meter. Digital multimeters come with a general current testing range of 10 to 20 amps AC and DC. It could be sufficient for home use or some other low voltage systems, but more professional uses like industry, HVAC and commercial demand more current testing capacity. For this purpose, clamp meter is an ideal choice to check amps without making contact and also without affecting circuit's performance. This Fluke 323 is the best Fluke clamp meter, which comes with an amazing current measuring range and ultimate Fluke's proficiency. We noticed that many quality clamp multimeters come in more or less of this meter's price. So that's awesome when you are actually getting a genuine low-budget Fluke multimeter with the same price tag as other clamp meters of this ratings. However, the other variant of this meter comes with NIST certificate and is definitely on more budget. So the choice is all yours, that what you want. The third product on our list is the 179 Fluke Auto Ranging Multimeter. Some people see Fluke multimeters only for industrial use. That's not pretty true. You can use it for general home usage, DIY purpose, and for training purposes also. We would add one more thing here, it's even better if you start your electric troubleshooting journey with Fluke meters, because in that case there will be no issue of annoying false or bogus readings. False or stray readings can deviate newbies and may result in serious damage to costly devices or machinery. So for having reliable results, best Fluke multimeters like this 179 ESFP is a must-have thing in your tools bag. We liked a lot design and shape of this meter. Slim body provides comfort in gentle grip during work at heights. Wide LCD has large display numbers and symbols, so anyone can read it clearly even with low eye vision. This multimeter is built with special hard rubber material, which makes it shock resistant and minimizes the risk of severe damage during fall from heights. Second on our list is the T51000 Cal Best Fluke Ohm Meter. If you are in search of a handy home use multimeter, then this Fluke voltage tester may be a best choice for you. It's so simple to operate it, even a school-level boy can use it with a little learning. Comes with only most needed electric parameters like current, voltage, and resistance. You certainly notice sometimes that current range of common DMM can't fulfill current loads of some home applications. For that purpose, a clamp meter is one and only choice to go for. You don't need a next-level multimeter with capacitance, duty cycles, and true RMS-type features for general and home use. One more thing which we like in this best Fluke multimeter is its ability of auto volt detection, which made it able to automatically detect whether voltages are AC or DC and show relevant results. You can also say it Fluke's smallest multimeter other than Fluke 101, which is quite small in size. Finally, the top product on our list is the Fluke 116 323 Combo Kit. This Fluke S multimeter is a complete combo kit feasible for every type of electric and electronics work. It contains Fluke 116 multimeter and an amazing 323 clamp amp meter, which could be used to find high amplitude currents effortlessly. Fluke 116 is best for HVAC work, as it comes with built-in thermometer with a good temperature finding range. You'll also get a magnetic hanger for hands-free use of multimeter and a supportive carrying bag to transport kit easily anywhere. What else we can expect besides this amazing package? A best Fluke multimeter with standard Fluke clamp meter only in single deal price. In day-to-day work, professional electricians have to deal with versatile electrical applications like HVAC, automotive troubleshooting, general home use, and electronic circuits testing. For that purpose they have to carry a DMM and clamp meter same time. This Fluke kit will cut the extra burden on their budget for it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.